జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. How is Sitadevi looking? Sitadevi is wearing red flower garland. Sitadevi wearing red saree. Asita kesantam bhaskarasya prabhamiva. Having black, long and glowing hair, Sita Devi glowing like a sun rays. Abharanopetam, Sita Devi also wearing so many ornaments. Such Sita Devi, now Ravana is looking at and also saying that, "Oh Sundari Sita, in these three worlds there is no one famous than me. Tavaham sadrusah patihi, that is why I am most suitable match to you and deserved husband to you. O Sundari, I will not put you into any kind of troubles. I will do as you wish. Tyajyata manusho bhavo, that is why you give up Rama, who is a normal, ordinary human being, and put all of your love, give all of your love to me. Oh Sita, you may be thinking that you are smart. No, you are not smart, because you are loving and living with Rama, who has no even kingdom. Oh Sita, what is there in Rama for you to love him? What is the great things that Rama has done for you to love him? What are the great qualities there in Rama for you to love him? Oh Sita, after all, just by caring one woman's words, Rama gave up the kingdom and came into this forest. What is there in Rama for you to love him? Come on, give up Rama and start paying all of your attention to me. Like this, Ravanasura trying to convince Sita Devi. The demon's king Ravanasura is approaching very close to Sitamma. Jagraha Ravanaha Sitam. Ravanasura held Sitamma. Vamena Sitam Padmakshim. Sitamma, such so delicate Sitamma, the one who has divine, beautiful, wide, lotus-like eyes. Such Sitamma, the beautiful Sitamma. Now Ravanasura holding Sitamma Murdhajeshu Karena Saha. With his left hand, Ravanasura holding Sitamma's hair, and then with his right hand, Urvostu Dakshinenaiva Parijagraha Panina, Ravanasura holding the thighs of Sitamma, and immediately, suddenly, he lifted Sitamma by holding hair and thighs. Ravanasura is looking like a death over there. Ravanasura is looking like a dreadful death over there. Ravanasura is looking like a big, huge mountain. When Ravanasura is seen like that in the forest, all the Vanadevatas also, Bhayartha Vanadevataha, they are running away from those places. Such Ravanasura immediately asked his chariot to be appearing over there. That chariot came over there, suddenly appeared there. Kharayuktaha Kharasvanaha. That chariot has so many donkeys. Chariot is making such a huge screaming sound, and those donkeys making such a huge screaming sound. Then Ravanasura tatastam parushaihi vakyaihi, while scolding Sitamma, while harshly speaking to Sitamma, while dreadfully frightening Sitamma. Ravanasura held Sitamma's thighs. Ankena adaya vaidehim radham aropayattada. Immediately Sitamma was lifted by Ravanasura, and Ravanasura kept Sitamma in his chariot. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.